Hello friends, myself Himanshu and welcome back to the channel. Today this is going to be a long video and this is the first video I ever made on this channel. So let me introduce myself. I am Himanshu Katara and I am a music producer from India. I like to work on different genres and music softwares. So I have worked on FL Studio, Ableton Live and Cubase. In this channel, I am trying to create tutorial videos for Cubase. I have already uploaded so many short videos on Cubase. So I hope you liked those videos. Today I am going to show you how I made a rock beat inside Cubase 12 Pro. So let's start the tutorial. First of all, I am going to play this song so that you can understand what I am going to show you. So let's start this song. That is all. I hope you liked this song. So let's start how I made this song. First of all, I played some drum beats. So let's loop it. So these drum beats are the basic of my song. I started my song with these drum beats. After that, I created a piano pattern. See, here it is. And I had a melody in my mind. So I played that melody in the piano. Once you have a melody in your mind, I would recommend you to use a piano or certain instrument which you like. And once you record that melody, you will have an idea on which you can work. You can create the patterns of some instrument and use that pattern in your songs. So this was my second step after creating the drum beat, because drum beat which gave me the idea for melody, and after that when I get the melody, I recorded the melody. So that is the thing which you need to remember. Once you get the melody recorded, after that you need to create some patterns. So see, I created a lead pattern. I have used Impact Soundwork lead guitar for this melody. I don't know the specific name of the library because I have frozen the tracks. And right now, I don't want to unfreeze those tracks because my computer won't be able to tolerate the load which is created by unfrozen tracks. So, this is the lead which I played. And what you need to do, just copy from the piano pattern and paste it on new instrument where you want to create a melody or chords, anything else. And after that, I started filling the song. So I created a acoustic guitar strumming pattern. By the way, this is a custom loop which I made by myself, and it is played on Ilya Efimov strum guitar. So that is an awesome library if you are looking for a acoustic guitar library. So let's go to another section. I played another RPGS guitar, I should say, and that is this guitar. And this guitar is in the back side of the song. So let's listen to this guitar. Again, I have used Impact Soundwork library for playing this guitar. And this guitar is just filling the back side of my song. So this was necessary because I don't have many instrument in the back side of my song. So just it is filling the background of my song. Now let's come to bass, and I have used Impact Soundwork library for playing this bass. The area which you are listening is the main chorus section of my song, and I have changed bassline in the area which is before the chorus section, I should say pre chorus. So if you have a chorus section and the other section, then you should try to change some elements in other section. It is not like that you are just creating some patterns and pasting those patterns in other sections and removing some instrument from those other sections. So it won't work. Just try to change some patterns in the same instrument which you are using in the chorus section and the intro section and verse and different section. Just try to change some patterns. I played a electric piano in which I have just used some chords, and at last at fourth bar I have played some extra notes. So these extra notes create some uniqueness in the pattern. If I played just flat chord, it won't sound good as it is sounding now. So that is all. And after that, if I combine all instrument, it sounds like this. I have two chorus section in this song. So this is the first chorus section, and second, the final chorus section, in which I need to add or remove something so that it can sound different from the first chorus section. So I added a rhythm guitar there. This rhythm guitar is the unique element, I should say, which is creating the differentness from the first chorus section. So it is important to just differentiate the first chorus and second chorus, add some extra instrument. And if you have a already busy chorus, you can try to add something in high band that will create something extra for the next chorus. And if you are not getting any idea for next chorus, then just remove something from first chorus. I know you would say that my first chorus is not sounding like a busy as my second chorus sounds. So that is okay. The most powerful section of your song should be the ending chorus. So in my case, the second chorus is the ending chorus. So I shall add as many as instrument I can add in the second chorus. So if you see, I created the second chorus first time. When I was creating this song, I created the second chorus, and after that, I took some elements from the second chorus and created the first chorus, the verse, pre chorus, and other areas were made using the elements of the chorus. And I changed some elements like bass and drum beats in the other areas like verse and pre chorus. If you need a smooth transition, you can create the fillers like this drum beat. Try to add the fillers before the beat starts. So in my case, the next beat, I should say the next change, that is the correct word, the next change which is starting at 10th bar. So I can add some fillers or transition element before that 10th bar. If you see, in every place where I have changed something, I introduced some fillers. So that is important. And this is my complete tutorial for a rock song. I hope you liked this song. Please subscribe to my channel. This is the first long video of my channel. I hope you liked this video. And click on the bell icon. I shall see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.